Hi everybody, welcome to my channel today. If you are new to my channel, my name is Justine. Hello and welcome. I live on the west coast of Canada and I post videos about beauty, lifestyle, a little bit of travel, mostly a lot of beauty stuff, things that I haul, subscription boxes and things like that. So if that's something that interests you, then please hit the subscribe button and don't forget the notification bell so you stay up to date with all my latest videos. And for all my other subscribers who are always there for me, hello and welcome to today's video. Now this is super exciting and I was so excited to film it that I'm a mess. I've been grocery shopping, doing errands and all kinds of stuff, and you're probably sick to death of seeing me in this dress, but I love it. This was from my Aritzia haul and I actually have a black one and a brownie kind of tan colored one arriving as well, because I'm just loving this dress so much, so you're probably sick and tired of seeing me. But anyway, to today's video. I subscribe to the BC Living Simply Beautiful box. It's a Canadian subscription box and I joined them about a year ago, and it's a fairly new subscription box and it just gets better and better all the time. I'll actually link below one of their latest boxes for June, and so if you're interested you can see what I got from that. So anyway, they were holding a contest similar to FabFitFun of you doing a box unopening on YouTube or Instagram or whoever you want to do it, and then they were going to award a prize. I think it was a random draw, and I won. So they sent to me today this box and it has some goodies inside. So thank you so much to Simply Beautiful for this box. I'm super excited to see what it is. They said it's some of their award winners. So let's see what's in here. I was going to do this tomorrow, but I honestly just could not wait, so I didn't care. I'm a bit of a mess, but I'm in the middle of making supper, but this box was just staring at me and I couldn't help myself but to open it. So it's heavy, and the first thing here is from Scentuals. It's a Radiance facial cream and it's 100% natural, so that's nice. And it's a 50 ml jar of a face cream. So all the rage right now seems to be natural beauty products. So I'm definitely game for that. So I'll give that a try. So it's like a bottle of something. United and Free Low Foam Shampoo, Natural Skincare. So that sounds nice. A gentle, low foaming pH balanced shampoo designed to cleanse and balance your hair. Very nice. Oh, it's sealed, but I'm sure it's very nice. So I can't wait to try that. And I believe all these items are Canadian as well. It has a Canadian flag on the back. United and Free from Vancouver. And I don't have my glasses, I can't see. And this one's cruelty free, which is nice. I can't see where that's from. I need my glasses and I'm not organized enough. Ativo, yay! This is a brush cleaner. I love this brush cleaner. They put one of these in a subscription box, I think 2 boxes ago, and I am a huge fan. I've actually ordered now 3 replacements. This one looks a bit of a smaller size, more of a travel size, but the one I have is a bit bigger of a tub, and it is the same price as the Beauty Blender one, so it's a given that I will use this instead, and they are comparable. They're both fantastic. So if you're looking for a brush cleaner that you get a lot more product than the one you get from Beauty Blender, definitely give Ativo a look. And it's all natural as well, which is nice. Vasanti Eye Wonder Super Powered Eye Cream with Ceramic Tip. Ooh. Fully loaded with 4 peptides, 4 botanicals, and 3 vitamins. This sounds nice. This is also cruelty-free and it's a made in Canada product. So this is very cool. I can't believe this. So nice. This is a huge tube, 20 ml. And it has one of those neat kind of applicator tips. So I'll definitely be using that. I'm trying out eye creams right now. Shiseido is my favorite, but I'm looking to find something else that's not as expensive and perfectly cruelty-free. Well, this is a dry shampoo. It's plenty to spare. Dry shampoo, refresh oily hair. And it's like a talcum powder. I've never tried that. And this also is from Vancouver. Very interesting. So I'll definitely give that a try. I love dry shampoos. I prefer an aerosol, but we'll see. what's this? Oh, an all-natural body oil. It's citrus verbena. I love that scent. Ellie, Bianca. And this is made in Canada, handcrafted with love in Canada. So it's a body oil and it's a glass jar. Oh, it smells gorgeous. Very, very lemony. Oh, very nice. I can't wait to try that. And it's a pump. I wonder if you can use it on your hair as well. Damp skin. Yeah, it's on for body. And last but not least, Woodlot. It is a nourishing cleansing balm, lemon and petitgrain. Not quite sure what that is. It's a cleanser. Let's have a look. Very nice. It's in a glass jar, fancy. And made in Canada, Vancouver. Kind of a citrusy kind of a smell, but it looks like a cleansing balm, so to take your makeup off. Wow, this is amazing. So I got all these fantastic products and just for doing an unboxing and posting it. So if any of you guys are subscribers to BC Living or any subscription box, you should definitely film them, because I don't know if they're going to do this every time they do a box or what, or if it was just one off lucky winner. I don't know, but I'm super excited, and thank you so much to Josh Murray. He was my contact there who contacted me and told me I won the box. Thank you. I really, really appreciate it, and these products have gone to a good home, and I'm going to try them all out, and I'll keep you guys posted on what I thought of them. So thank you so much for joining me today and helping me unbox my prize. And I hope to see you all again very soon. Bye!